Oh, hello. This is Tak Chong from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share.
You know, I've become very excited about using beans in stir-fry. To me, this is a perfect addition to a stir-fry dish. Now, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use beans in a stir-fry dish with shrimp, salmon, and vegetables. I'm going to use asparagus, tomato, and bell pepper. In addition, I'm going to use cannellini beans. And the reason that I have become so excited about beans because they're a perfect addition to add to a stir-fry dish to improve both the nutritional value as well as the caloric value of the dish. Now I'm going to start out to fry some salmon. Now this salmon look kind of peculiar to you because they are actually the edge of the salmon which I purchased, and I cut them off, and I thought they would be perfect to use for stir-fry. In addition to the salmon, I'm also going to use some shrimp. So basically what I'm doing right now is shallow fry them so I can get the one side of the salmon as well as the shrimp to develop a crisp texture. This salmon actually have skin on the other side, and frying this provide a very nice flavor for the skin. I will shallow fry the salmon and the shrimp for about 1 minute before I add asparagus to the wok. By now the shrimp and the salmon is about half done. So after I finish cooking the rest of the dish, they will be perfectly done. This is the reason I add the asparagus later, because asparagus cook very quickly and I do not want to overcook them. And next I add the cherry tomatoes that I have cut them in half. Both of them has been prepped in advance, so they are ready to go straight out from the refrigerator. I next add a can of cannellini beans. They are also known as white kidney beans. I add the fluid in the can to the wok as well. I use the fluid to create a nice sauce for the dish. Cooking this dish is really fast. By the time it's almost done, I next add some color bell pepper. Again, the color bell pepper are already prepped, so all I need to do is to grab them from the refrigerator. I did not add too much because I just want to add color to the dish. I next season this dish lightly. First start out with some oyster sauce and then followed by some hoisin sauce to give the dish a slight teriyaki flavor. Okay, the dish is basically done. I shut off the heat. I don't want to cook the dish any longer because I do not want to overcook the shrimp and the salmon. I next do a quick taste test. Well, I decided that I probably need a little bit more salt, so I add additional soy sauce to the dish. Now I season the dish with a more or less an Asian type of seasoning, but you can season it in whatever way that you like to. The dish is done, and the total cook time is a little bit over 5 minutes. Just imagine you come home from work and you want something that is fairly substantive. This dish would definitely fit the bill. The dish is very practical because it uses all the ingredients that you probably will already have it in your prep. The cost of the dish is very economical. The shrimp and the salmon is only a small portion of the dish. They serve more as a condiment rather than as the main ingredients. However, the thing that I'm really excited about the dish is the bean. As I've mentioned before, I have never cooked bean in stir-fry before other than using soybean. And when I discover how to use all these different type of beans in stir-fry, I almost like a kid in a candy store. I could not believe what a bonanza it is to be able to add beans to a stir-fry dish, because it not only adds great texture and flavor to the dish, but the nutritional value of the dish is quite extraordinary. Honestly, I not used to like this kind of beans before because I usually have them in isolation. But now I have them in a dish with other type of ingredients in it. It makes a huge difference because the bean now become part of the complex flavor and texture of the dish. If you love beans, you definitely should give this dish a try. You'll be surprised how well the bean integrated with other ingredients in this dish. Even if you don't like beans, give it a try. You might like it.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.